Hello, friends. Welcome to MiniMindsShine for fun learning videos. Today, we're going to learn all about shapes. Get ready to look around and find them with me. Look, this is a circle. A circle is round and round, like a rolling ball. It has no corners. Can you make a circle with your arms? Let's see some circles in our world. Like a yummy donut. And a bouncy ball. And the clock that tells us the time. They are all circles. Now, let's meet the rectangle. A rectangle is long and has 4 corners. 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. Let's find some rectangles. Look at the window. And a pile of books. And the phone we use for calls. They are all rectangles. Say hello to the triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, and 3 corners. It looks a little bit like a pointy hat. Where can we find triangles? Like a big Christmas tree. And a slice of tasty watermelon. And a warm, cozy hat. They are all triangles. Your turn. We learned about the circle, the rectangle, and the triangle. Can you look around your room and find another shape? You did a wonderful job learning about shapes today. Come back soon for more learning adventures. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MiniMindsShine for more fun learning videos.